The following is an exclusive presentation of VIC Sports. It's been a long time since the Ithaca Bombers football team has been able to claim victory over the St. John Fisher Cardinals. It was just over 8 years ago on a Saturday afternoon in late September that the Cardinals appeared to be on their way to a thrilling overtime victory at Butterfield Stadium. Until Cardinals quarterback Nick Supna made a terrible mistake, and the Bombers made him pay for it.
Suhan, a three-step drop, looking in that direction. He's got plenty of time. Intercepted! Intercepted by Bill Struzzi. He's at the 30, at the 40, at the 50. Reels the only Cardinal man left at the 20. He's going into the end zone, 10-yard line. The Bombers win it! The Bombers win it! On a 90-yard interception returned by Bill Struzzi. Game over!
Bombers cornerback Bill Struzzi was the hero on the South Hill that sealed the Bombers' victory on that memorable day in Ithaca football history. Today, another group of relentless Bombers look to create some memories of their own and etch their mark in Bombers football lore. The winner today controls their own destiny in the Empire 8 Conference, while the team that comes up short will be on the outside looking in. It's the 5-1 St. John Fisher Cardinals taking on the 5-1 Ithaca Bombers, and it's all coming your way next. We now go live to Butterfield Stadium and join Alex Lebowitz and Jake Asman with the call on this exclusive presentation of VIC Sports.